everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did some skillet pumpkin bread. Now, I can't lie to you, I ain't much of a baker, but this recipe came to me. I was watching a little local show that does the news and other various things from my hometown, and they got to talking about pumpkins and cooking pumpkins and growing stuff in the garden, and it made me think about pumpkin bread. So it's pretty simple, not much to it. It's really just mix and throw in the oven, but it's pretty good. But anyways, I'll put all the ingredients down below so you'll know what's in it. But like I said, it's really just a little flour, your pumpkin mix, spices, sugar, egg, and mix it and bake it. It does take a little while to bake because it's so dense, I think, from the liquid of the pumpkin and flour mixture too. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.